Welcome! Today I would like to join the giveaway from Lockfumbler, and what I will do, he asked us to basically give some tips on how to open locks, and I got this Baton Padlock here. It looks like an American lock clone. Do not duplicate 21312. We will get it later. So, for the giveaway, I was thinking he wanted us to give some tips. Well, I think I will give some tips on how to attack a new lock. So, basically, let's see this beautiful lock. The color is amazing, as you can see. Well, let's start with the pins. If you have the key, it's pretty easy. You can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, right? So if you don't have the key, there are different tactics to find out how many pins you have. You can go way to the back and slide to the front and count the clicks. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't like that too much. What I prefer is go to the first pin, push it down, go to the next pin, so you got one directly, while the pin is pushed up. Then push that one up, go to the next one, push that one up to the next one, push that one up to the next one, push that one up to the next one. It's the last one, and then there's no more pins, so I got 5. So that are basically 2 possibilities on how you can count the pins. So now we know how many pins there are. So what else? Tension. Tension is always a big thing when we talk about lockpicking and when we don't know a lock. So let me get a tension tool. So when you use a tool like this and go way up here, you always need to be careful for the first pin. You might not get it. If you go below, you might spread the core so it will block. So, but I still like this way. So, well, what is too low? It's not enough tension. What is too much tension? Basically, not enough tension. When you probe every pin and you don't find a binding one, then you don't have enough tension. It's simple as that. The downside, you can always put a lot more tension on it, but you might bend a pick or break the pick. So if you're not sure, put more tension on it, and if you feel it's too hard, too stiff, release a little tension, and then you should be there. Alright, so let's see. I'm not going to use this pick. I'm going to use this one, because the key is pretty wide open. I love this pick, but for this lock it's not the right one, because the hook is not deep enough. So let's start. Let's put some tension on it. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Little click out of 4. Nothing on 5. Okay. Again 1. Nothing. 2, nice click. Going on 3. It's stiff, so should be set. Okay. That was 3. Not sure about that. Now we got something on 4. Nice click out of 4. And we got a little small fault set. I'm not sure what kind of pins. Might be serrated, might be spools. So I might 1 now. And we open. Alright. Pretty easy so far. So let's see what's in here. So we got a a little crossy here. Let me zoom in a little. Right, you get this cross screw. Let me find a screwdriver for that. It should work nicely. I'm really curious what we find in here, because it looks like a clone from an 1100, so it really looks like an 1100, to be honest. Pretty interesting. So let's lock that one up again. Actually, yeah, locking it up, it's best if you have a key for removing the C-clip. Another tip. Lock it back up to remove the C-clip. And always use a shim. And if you have the key, use the key for guarding. Alrighty. Use the shim. And of course we need our trusty little plug follower. Make sure to not drop the pins of the core when you do this. Alright, so if you have it the other way around, you might just drop it. So I need some tweezers here. It would be nice, right? I do have some. I used to have them here on my desk, but not anymore. Looks like. Just take this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start here. So we got a standard pin on. I have the feeling it's all standard in here. Nothing too hard. Yeah, that's all standard. I believe there's no... I think if we're lucky we might have a spool in there, but I really don't think so. Let's take a look at the core. I have to check. Oh my god, look at this. This is exactly the same as this size, so you will not remember except for the little marks here. Let me grab a marker and mark the front side, just to be sure that I don't fuck it up. Another tip: be sure where your stuff is. Standard on 1. I don't take the springs out, they are nothing special, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's all standard pins. Yeah, that's why it was so easy. Oh, no. Standard. As you can see, what we have here is all standard pins. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Looks cool in this pinkish, silverish, and with this marking on warning, unauthorized removal, blah blah blah. It's breaking, entering. It's pretty cool, but there's no security in this lock. Alright. Well, that's it for me. Lockfumbler, congratulations to your 100 subs. Hope that is good enough for your giveaway. Hope you enjoyed this little pink lock, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.